أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Many of the people don't know how to recite this difficult word. If you don't know how to recite this difficult word, stay with us. So first thing you have to know that this is not a stop. Never you have to stop here. What we have to do? We have to start from here and read till there without taking any of the pause. So we will read it like Hamza Sheen Fatha Ash Ha Pesh Hu Ash Hu Ra Waw Kasratain Riu. The idgham rule will apply here. We will do Unna. Ash Hu Riu Waw Lam Fatha Wal. Now Lam Mad standing Fatha La. The Hamza we will read first, Ya at the second. This is Ya Madda, Hamza, Ya, Kasra, E. All together. Ashhurim Wallahi. Ashhurim Wallahi. This is the correct pronunciation.